It's a developing story that the 22 News I-Team has been following. I-Team reporter Ryan Walsh has new information on the missing money from the Springfield Police Evidence Room.
The Attorney General continues to investigate. The city has hired a company to perform an audit, and the 22 News I-Team discovered who the city refunded the missing confiscated money to. Missing money from the Springfield Police Evidence Room has led to an Attorney General's investigation and a costly audit the city is paying for. It's also led to drug cases being dismissed and potential drug money being returned to alleged dealers. The 22 News I-Team discovered the city of Springfield has or will return more than $23,000 to 8 people the police arrested on drug charges because that money they seized as evidence was missing. The I-Team went through dozens of court records. We found that Errol Green had his case dismissed after he was arrested for possessing several pounds of marijuana. This court order shows that the police department couldn't find the money they confiscated and were ordered to return more than $13,000 to Green. His attorney told the I-Team the missing money is affecting the outcome of drug cases.
I'm sure it's contributed to some verdicts and cases over there, yeah.
The city also asked to pay back Sherry Rodriguez $934 the police confiscated when she was arrested with more than 1,000 bags of heroin since her case was dismissed. Jaleel Williams has been in district court at least 12 times since 2013. When he was arrested on a crack cocaine charge, he had money on him. That case was dismissed and the city returned $800 to his lawyer. The Attorney General's office is investigating the missing money, which was revealed in March, and the city hired Markham accountants to do an internal audit. They're analyzing close to 10,000 samples, and it's costing the city up to $120,000 from the police budget. They're the same firm that audited the state police crime labs. More than 1,100 inmates were convicted over possibly tainted evidence in that case. Police Commissioner John Barberi wasn't available this week, but Attorney Joe Smith told 22 News the police have already changed one policy. They are no longer holding drug money after 30 days, instead sending it to a bank to be held, similar to what the state police already do. I'm Ryan Walsh working for you with the 22 News I-Team.